Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the best WooCommerce product option plugin. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we need to install a product option plugin, which is this advanced product fields. Now click on this install now right here in order to install this particular plugin. And then once it's been installed, you need to head over and activate it by just clicking on this activate option that will replace the installation button. Now you can see that it's already been installed, so head over and click on the settings right here in order to track down the settings of this particular plugin that you have created. Now as you can see, it has been added in the product field settings. Now you can show this on your customer's cart and show on checkout. And you can also put in here add to cart button text. So for example, let's make this as well. You can just choose select options or I will put in here get your pick. Now just click on Save Changes right here. Now I have opened in here a product. Now what we can do is to just scroll down until we can see this product data and then just choosing here the custom field. So you can add your first field to this group right here by clicking on the particular icon from in there. And you can also put the label position above the field or below it or in the extraction label, and you can also mark this as required and change your product image as well. So just head over and add your first field from in there. And once you have added that, scroll down and click on this update in order to make changes to your actual product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like or subscribe because helps reach more people. See you soon.